What is light? Light is an electromagnetic wave that can travel through the vacuum and is visible to the naked eye. Light has several properties, including the ability to be reflected and refracted. Light reflection. Light reflection is the phenomenon that occurs when light strikes a surface and is then reflected back into its original medium. This phenomenon occurs because light is not entirely absorbed by the surface of the object. Physically, reflection occurs due to the interaction between light wave and particle on the surface of the object. In light reflection, there are three main components. The first, incident ray, light traveling toward the surface. The second, reflect ray, light that is reflected. The third, normal line, an imaginary line perpendicular to the surface. The three components are essential for understanding the direction of light reflection. Several factors that affect light reflection. Surface roughness determines the type of reflection. Angle of incidence determines the direction of reflection. Types of material affects the amount of light that is reflected or absorbed. Light refraction. Light refraction is a phenomenon in which the direction of light propagation changes when the light passes through the boundaries between two media with different refractive index. This phenomenon occurs because the speed of light changes when it enters a medium with a different optical density. Types of light refraction. First, refraction toward the normal occurs when light travels from a less dense medium, as air, to a more dense medium, as water or glass. The angle of refraction is smaller than the angle of incidence. Refraction away from the normal occurs when light travels from a density medium, as water, to a less density medium, as air. The angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incidence. The third, total reflection, occurs when the light travels from a denser medium to a less dense medium with an angle of incidence exceeding the critical angle, causing the light to be reflected back rather than refracted. The fourth, light diffraction or spectral dispersion, refraction that split polychromatic light or white light into monochromatic color or the color spectrum due to difference in the refractive index for its color, such as a rainbow. Reflection law. The first, the incident ray, the normal line, and the reflect ray are lie in the same plane and all three interact at a single point. The second, the angle of incidence theta A is equal to the angle of reflection theta R. Refraction law. The first law, the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal light in the same plane. The second law, light traveling from a less dense medium into a denser medium is refracted toward the normal. Conversely, light traveling from a density medium into a less dense medium is refracted away from the normal. Purpose of the experiment. The first, explain the phenomena of light refraction through an experiment involving a coin in a glass of water and a pen placed in the water, demonstrating how the position or shape of an object appears to change due to the bending of light. The second, demonstrating the phenomenon of light reflection using a mirror and flashlight, as well as a laser experiment on water flowing from a bottle, so that direction of incident and direction of reflection of light can be observed. The third, connecting experimental result with basic concept and laws, such as the law of reflection and the law of refraction or Snell's law, to make theoretical understanding more tangible and applicable. The fourth, improving the able to observe, analyze, and explain physical phenomena scientifically based on simple experience. The fifth, developing skills in creating and presenting engaging, interactive, and easy to understand video-based learning materials in the basic learning process. Step 1. Gather the following tools and material: a mirror and a flashlight. Step 2. Turn on the flashlight and shine in toward the mirror. You will clearly see the reflex light. Step 1. Gather the following material and tools: a board file with water and a laser. Step 2. Turn on the laser, then aim the laser beam at the following water. You will then observe the phenomena of total internal reflection. Step 1. Gather the following material and tools: a glass, a coin. Step 2. Place the coin inside the glass. Then pour out the coin. Step 3. Place the coin under the glass. And you Pour water in the glass. You will notice that the coin is not longer pressable. Step 1. Gather the following materials and tools such as glass, pen, and water. Step 2. Pour water into the glass. Place the pen in the glass of water and observe.
I just had to let you know you're
是要看美背部，是要看。